something is going on. Well, my enemies, they've gotten me, you know. They've gotten me. No, something is going on. Hey, who took the meat now? Who took the misconfess? Who took the misconfess? Ha! He loves me. He loves. That was the first time he was texting me something like that, and my daddy happened to see it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Tife, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, I have to first apologize. I know I haven't posted, like, okay, except the last video I just posted, I haven't posted like in what, 3 weeks now, 4 weeks now. Okay, let me give you guys a breakdown of why I haven't posted. Number one, my ring light was bad. My ring light went bad, like it went off. It used to have a problem of coming on and off, but like if it was on now, like it is on now, if you take like now and bring it back, it's not going to come on, or like until like 3 hours after, it's not going to come on. So number two problem, why, okay, there was no time, actually there was no like really good time because of like school and laziness. Yes, lazy. Okay, so the third reason was NEPA in Nigeria. Trust me, me and my roommate have tried to film a video for you guys like 100 times, and nothing has worked out for any of us. Like, it has just been so annoying, like because of my ring light has problems. So when they take lights, that's the end, because it's not going to come on. That's the end, it's not going to come on. So I'm already have done our makeup and stuff. It was just really frustrating. So I just like, you know what, I'm not going to do this, and I'm not going to do this. I have to take a break from this. And I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry I took it, because at the beginning of this year I clearly promised you guys that, you know, your girl was going to be consistent, your girl was going to keep shooting for you guys. But then it's not my fault. I'm sorry. What happened again? I'll try to change. So today, guys, I did this lovely makeup here, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to let this makeup waste. I have to come and shoot a video. I was thinking of what to do, and then that bob just lit up in my head. Story time. Let's do a story time. Now I'm thinking, what stories should I tell you guys? And I have 2 stories to share with you guys today. You know what, if you want to hear my story, just keep watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the bell like thing again beside it to get notifications anytime I post a video. If you're not following me on social media, nigga, why? If you want to hear my stories, keep watching this video. This one is a story of how my father caught me, like not caught me like in action, or like caught me, like saw a text message on my phone with a boy. How does this story go, guys? So when I think it was just 2 just 3, I was very young and I don't know what I was doing. Like, obviously, like what age was that? Probably like what, like 10, 13, 11, like between 11 to 13, basic. Even 13 was too old. I don't think I was 13 years old then. Okay, because in secondary school I already had this Starcoms phone, one Starcoms phone like that small Starcoms phone that they used to give us. No, not secondary school, in primary school, like in primary 6. I already had that phone. So when I was in secondary school, I still had it, but I think it had changed to like iTel. So I was using iTel like in just 2 just 3, so I could only text, like, you know, like text message and do midnight call and all that shit. No, nothing that's a midnight call. Yeah, if you don't know what midnight call is, then I don't know if you're Nigerian. I really don't know. I won't know for you guys, but I don't know why you would not know what midnight call is. So I used to do that with that phone and everything. So yeah, there was this boy in my secondary school that obviously, I mean, just to, oh, I have a crush on this boy. This boy has a crush on me. Oh my god. So basically, we were on the break here, summer break, and then we got texting. Like we were texting each other and everything, and really feeling each other, you know, we're really vibing. So this fateful day, I decided that I was going to be texting this boy on my phone, and that phone does not have password, mind you. I don't even think I log. Just press hash and star, then it will log. So basically, I was holding the phone in my hand. Apparently I was texting him like text message. Then I slept off in the sitting room, in the parlor, on a chair. So my mom is already like very tired and she can't come and be waking us up. So my daddy usually wakes us up to go into our room and like just off everything in the house, because we used to like sleep off watching TV and stuff. So after today, I don't realize that I found myself in my room the next morning. And when I wake up, it's like even till now, immediately I wake up and the first thing I do is my phone. Where is my phone? What's going on? I need my phone. I need to see my phone. So basically, I started looking for my phone and everything. So I didn't see my phone. I'm like, I asked my sister. She said she does not know. I went to the kitchen. I already knew that something was happening. And I went to the kitchen to ask my mom, like, okay. I'm like, Mommy, good morning. She didn't answer me. I'm like, yes, something is going on. Well, my enemies, they've gotten me, you know. They've gotten me. No, something is going on. You know, when a Nigerian parent is already giving you that kind of vibe, you should already know that, yes, is it that I leave this house or so. Yeah, I asked her, Mom, where's my phone? Mom, please, do you know where my phone is? She sure looked at me. She does not say anything. She sure left. I don't know. I don't know, but you will know. You just feel like as if no, everywhere suddenly gets dark. If you're Nigerian, you know the feeling. Just trust me. If you're okay, I don't know about other Nigerians, but I know if you're Yoruba, if your mom is Yoruba, or if you're from Yoruba family in Nigeria, you know the feeling. Cause trust me, you will know when you are in soup. You will know. So basically, the whole day I was shy. Oh God, I didn't have my phone. I was so scared and everything, shy. So that's how. And I didn't came back from Moko. She called me and all my siblings into their room. And I told them to sit down. I told me to stand. I started talking. That me, what do I know? Something. That I'm just how old? I can't even remember. That what do I know is love. How he loves me. He loves me. He loves. That was the first time he was texting me something like that, and my daddy happened to see it. He happened to come across my phone, and can you share what did I do to deserve that? What? As in, I like, oh, like what? Like when he said he loved me, I'm like, love? Like wow, how? So my daddy was shot, like, you know, to my surprise, and they didn't beat me, because I expected them to whoop my ass. I expected them to beat me like legit, but they didn't beat me. Like, they're so chilled about it. Like, just spoke to me, told me some Bible, you know, Nigerian parents like to throw Bible at us, so just told me some Bible verses, and basically that was it. Like, anyway, so that was that story. I didn't have a phone throughout the whole summer, and when I got back to school, the boy didn't even talk to me again. Sad. But then that's the story about that. So basically, that's my number one story. I hope you guys like that story. Okay, so number two story. This is a story of how I stole meat and I got caught. Actually, I had to confess. I stole meat. See, I love meat. See, my body is so thick because I love meat. Okay, so you know how parents, like your moms, like they go for Owambe, like in another states, and then when they come back, like they give them plenty meat, or they kill cow in the Owambe, maybe like it's a family something, and then I give them like plenty meat and everything. So mommy she traveled, yeah. She went for like an event. I don't know if it was a wedding or something, a burial. So when she was coming back, apparently they gave her like a big bag of meat, like big chunks of like big pieces of soup. I was in primary school, like legit in primary school. So I don't know if I can remember because I know they whooped my ass. They whooped my ass somehow and they beat me very well. So yeah, when she came back, she's like, oh, she came, she greeted her and everything. Okay, we're very excited. Mommy's back. So that's how my dear sisters and brothers. Mommy and I said, okay, she brought this back, but she wants to sleep now. And when she wakes up, she's going to share. So basically, my big cousins were around for the summer year. So Mom was like, okay, when she wakes up here, she's going to share the meat accordingly to all of us and everything. And it was a lot. She now really arranged it in the oven because I think she wanted to like steam it very well, because I don't know if she was sure about it, but she just kept it in the oven and everything. So she went to bed. So this was like around 12. So basically, me being a notorious and silly child, very silly thing, like I don't even know why. I was like, oh my god, and this meat is plenty. Nobody like, oh, this thing is very plenty. Nobody will know if I take it. Nobody was going to know. Shit. I'm like, okay. And I went there and I took one. I took it, the first one. I'm like, oh wow, I loved it. I went back. I'm like, it's plenty. Nobody's going to find out. I went back. I took the second one. I was eating in Sha. So Sha, you know what I did? I was going to my friend's house. Her name is Esheza, my best friend. We used to live, she has moved now. We used to live like opposite of each other's house and everything. So I was going to her house to play. So I put 2 in my pockets, in one each pocket. I kept one in my hand and I went to her house. When it finished, the one I had though, I went back home. I took again 2 in my 2 pockets and 1 in my hand. That's like 6. That's 8 pieces of meat now. So my mommy now woke up and everything. She sent for me from my friend's house. So when I got home and everything, she's like, okay, she wants to share the meat now. So when she now brought it out, she not counted. She's like, this meat is missing. I was me, I can give straight face like. Like, I don't know what you're talking about, you know? Like it's not all of us line up, like all of us like line up. Like I said, who took this meat? Nobody talked. I'm like, and I swear I'm the master of straight face. Wallahi, I can give straight. I'll just be like, you will not even suspect it's me, or I'll start doing, hey, who took the meat now? Who took the meat? Confess. Who took the meat? Confess. You know that kind of thing. Yeah, when you're the one that sinned, but you're like, who took it? Please confess. Please confess. So she's like, okay, I don't have strength. So you should go inside that room and figure out who took this meat. If not, I'm going to deal with all of you. As mommy said. So we went inside the room and everything. She asked my big cousin, like, you guys, who took this meat? Everybody like, who took it? Who took it? And she was, no, who took it? Who took it? Who took it? And then my big cousin, one of my big cousins just said, I have a story to tell you people. I'm like, everybody like, which story does you want to tell us now? I said, in a church in Ondo. In a church in Ondo, the pastor said something, sha. Like, I think they stole money. Okay, he said in a church in Ondo, yeah, they stole money from the ushering department, and the person had meeting with all of them and said who took the money, and nobody wanted to confess. That God now carried the person that took the money and slammed him on the wall and was using him to wipe the wall. I don't know why I believe such lies. I swear. I swear, the instant confession. Like this is me. I'm the one that took the meat. It was so funny because I mean I don't know why I believe such a story. Like that was so unreal. Like slammed who against the what now what? So basically now it's gonna tell my mom. She now asked me to kneel down in the parlor and raise my hand up. It's not start that punishment when you're a child. You didn't grow up. You knew that by the corner and raise your hand up. As in face not the corner and raise. Mommy's what if you raise your hand up, you still raise your hand and she beats me. And me, when they're beating me in that house, I run from the parlor. Because she already knows how I am. She now tells them to like lock the back door. So I still run from the parlor to the back door to run back again to the parlor. And she'll be chasing me because she needs to beat me well because I was very stubborn. So she beats me. I swear I can remember this event because I know that I chopped beating that day, and it was so funny because I swear the rate at which I confessed immediately. I mean I don't feel like dying. I was quite young. I wanted to be an accountant. I didn't want to die. I didn't want to die. So basically, guys, that's my story, and I don't have anything to say. I'm going to go and clean my face now and wash off my makeup. Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this video, please just don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you guys so much. I'll keep posting regularly. See you guys later. Bye.